Hey guys, have you heard about the new iOS 26 update? It's bringing something super cool called the Liquid Glass UI. And trust me, this is about to completely change our UI game. But before we dive into redesigning, let's take a quick detour to check out Figma's brand new glass effect. It's still in beta, but trust me, it's already looking slick. So, how does this magic work? I just created a random frame and popped an image inside. The thing is, this effect only works on frames. So I made a frame, rounded its edges, turned it into a component, and dropped it onto my main design. After adding this effect, this is how it looks. The best part, we can totally customize it. We can tweak the lighting, the depth, the dispersion, and even the frostiness. Even though it's beta, it's working so well. Alright, let's get to the main event. Let's try that effect on the control center and see how it looks using Figma's new glass effect. First things first, let's create a frame. For this tutorial, I am designing for the iPhone 16 ratio. To make things super easy, I've already grabbed all the icons, the color palette, the wallpaper we'll need. You can find a link to download all of them down in the description below. Let's start by resizing our wallpaper to fit our frame perfectly. That will be our background. Now take a look at the current iOS control center for reference. Let's kick things off with the flight mode icon. Hit Shift+A for auto layout, then resize the frame to 72 pixels. Align it right to the center. Fill the frame with white color and give it a radius of 18 pixels. Now just duplicate this frame as many times as you need for your other icons. And then simply replace the icons. For the icon group, resize the frame to 56 pixels with a super round radius of 999 pixels. Duplicate those frames, replace your icons and then hit Shift+A again for auto layout. Give it a 16 pixel padding, and for those buttons, let's fill them with colors from our iOS color palette. Now for the volume and brightness sliders. It's a little different. We'll need two auto layouts, one for the icon slider container and one for the fixed background. We'll start with the transparency of 30%, but we can always customize that later if we want. The frame size for these should be 72 by 160 pixels. Just repeat the same steps for the brightness slider. For those horizontal buttons, the frame size should be 160 by 72 pixels. And remember, we want to keep things consistent, so maintain the 18 pixel radius for all the icons. I've already got the music player buttons ready to go to speed things up. Just for your info, the album cover size I used is 56 pixels and the font size is 16 pixels. I created an auto layout frame with a size of 160 pixels and an 18 pixel radius. Just adjust the padding as needed. Alright, now that we got all our buttons done, let's grab our wallpaper as a testing background. Compose all your icon frames onto it. Now for the magic, add the glass effect to all those icon frames. And of course, change your icon colors to white so they pop. Auto layout each section with a padding of 16 pixels. Now resize the entire frame to the iPhone 16 ratio, which is 393 by 852 pixels. Adjust your icons to fit perfectly. Next up, drop in the notification bar and fill it with white color. Adjust its frame. After adjusting, apply a black color to the frame with an opacity of 20%. And then add a background blur of 20 pixels. Finally, make this frame a component and drop it onto your main design. And boom, it's done. The brand new Liquid Glass iOS control center. How great does that look? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hope you got something cool in this video. Show some love with a like, hit that sub button and ring the bell for more creative goodness. This is Srikanth Malangiri. Catch you in the next video.